Today we will start with second standard maths textbook CBSE syllabus. In this, the first chapter is numbers up to 200. Let's recall. Number game. Max and Nikki are playing a number game. Each of them throw the die twice to make a two-digit number. Examples: 4 and 6 form the number 46. 3 and 5 form the number 35. Numbers 46. Number name of 46 is 40, F-O-R-T-Y, 40, SIX 6. 35. Number name of 35 is THIRTY, 30, FIVE 5. They have filled the table with numbers and number names. Repeat the same activity in your class and complete the table. Circle the smallest number in red and the largest number in green. Let's move forward. Building numbers up to 200. There are 10 ones is equal to 110. 10 ones, if you count 10 ones is equal to 110. 10 tens, 10 tens is equal to 100. How many hundreds are these? Can you guess how many? If you count, this will be 100, this will be 200. So it is 2 hundreds. That is equal to 200, 200. Number name. All numbers can be written in words. Example, the number name of 101 is ONE1, HUNDRED 100, ONE1, 101. The number name of 143 is ONE1, HUNDRED 100, 40, FORTY, THREE 3. The number name of 178 is ONE1, 100, HUNDRED, SEVENTY 70, EIGHT 8. Practice coach. Fill in the blanks and the boxes. One has been done for you. This is ones, tens, hundreds. 100. How many tens? 2 tens, 2 ones. 100, 2 tens, 2 ones, which is equal to 122. In this, 100, 4 tens, 7 ones. 100, 4 tens, 7 ones, which is equal to 147. In this, 100, there are no tens, 0 tens, and it is 8 ones. So, 100, 0 tens, 8 ones, 108. 100, 3 tens, 7 ones. 100, 3 tens, 7 ones, 137. 100, 7 tens, 4 ones. 100, 7 tens, 4 ones, which is equal to 174. Fill in the missing numbers from 101 to 200. You need to write numbers from 101 to 200. 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, 106, 107, 108, 109, 110, 111, 112, 113, 114, 115, 116, 117, 118, 119, 120, 121, 122, 123, 124, 125, 126, 127, 128, 129, 130, 131, 132, 133, 134, 135, 136, 137, 138, 139, 140, 141, 142, 143, 144, 145, 146, 147, 148, 149, 150, 151, 152, 153, 154, 155, 156, 157, 158, 159, 160, 161, 162, 163, 164, 165, 166, 167, 168, 169, 170, 171, 172, 173, 174, 175, 176, 177, 178, 179, 180, 181, 182, 183, 184, 185, 186, 187, 188, 189, 190, 191, 192, 193, 194, 195, 196, 197, 198, 199, 200. Complete the following as instructed. Write the number that comes just after the given number. After 142, 143. After 167, what number comes? It is 168. After 195, what number comes? It is 196. After 128, what number comes? It is 129. Write the number that comes just before the given number. 106, before 106, 105 comes. Before 171, 170 number comes. Before 157, 156 number comes. Before 184 number, 183 number comes. Write the number that comes in between the given numbers. 112, 113, 114, 138, 139, 140, 127, 128, 129, 159, 160, 161. Complete the number sequence. 130, 131, 132, 133, 134, 135, 136, 137. Write the number names for the following numbers. 148, ONE 1, HUNDRED 100, AND and 40 FORTY 40, EIGHT 8, 164 ONE 1, HUNDRED 100, AND and 60 SIXTY 60, FOUR 4, 200 TWO2, HUNDRED 100, 200. Fun with maths. Represent 183 on the abacus. The number 183 has 3 at its ones place, 8 at its tens place and 1 at its hundreds place. So we place 3 beads on the ones rod, 8 beads on the tens rod and 1 bead at the hundreds rod. Find the number if 2 beads are removed from the tens rod, it is 6. Find the number if 3 beads are added on the ones rod. If 3 beads are added on the ones rod, the number will be 6. Try this. Represent 108 on the abacus. It is 8 on the ones rod, 0 on the tens rod, 1 bead on the hundreds rod. Find the number if 1 bead is added in the ones rod. If 1 bead is added on the ones rod, it is 8. If 1 is added, it will be 9. Find the number if 7 beads are added in the tens rod. There is no beads on the tens rod. If 7 are added, the number is 7 itself. My project. Create at least 2 3-digit numbers in your activity sheet using colored sheet cutouts. Make cutouts to represent hundreds, tens and ones as shown here. This is ones, tens, hundreds. 123 is equal to 100, 2 tens and 3 ones. Now we will see the expanded form. We can write any number in terms of ones, tens and hundreds. This is known as expanded form. For example, we can write 163 as 100 plus 6 tens plus 3 ones. This is same as 100, 6 tens is equal to 60, 3 ones is equal to 3. Write the expanded form of 146. 146 has 100, 4 tens, 6 ones, that is equal to 100 plus 40 plus 6. Write the expanded form of 180. 180 has 100, 8 tens, 0 ones, 100 plus 80 plus 0. Place value and face value. The place value of a digit is the value of a digit due to its position in a number. If 2 is in the ones column of a number, its place value is 2. If 2 is in tens column of a number, its place value is 20. If 2 is in hundreds column of a number, its place value is 200. See the place value of the circle digit. 6. 6 is in ones place. The place value of 6 is 6. 4 is in tens place. The place value of 4 is 40. 1 is in hundreds place. So, the place value of 1 is 100. 9 is in tens place. The place value of 9 is 90. A number can be formed if the place value of its digit is known. The face value of a digit is its actual value in a number. If 5 is in the ones column, its face value is 5. If 5 is in the tens column, its face value is 5. If 5 is in hundreds column, its face value is 5 itself. The face value of a number always remains the same and does not change with position. Practice coach. Write the expanded form of the following numbers. One has been done for you. 149, 100 plus 4 tens plus 9 ones, that is equal to 100 plus 40 plus 9. 151, 100 plus 5 tens plus 1 ones, that is equal to 100 plus 50 plus 1. 166, 100 plus 6 tens plus 6 ones, that is equal to 100 plus 60 plus 6. 178, 100 plus 7 tens plus 8 ones, that is equal to 100 plus 70 plus 8. 188, 100 plus 8 tens plus 8 ones, that is equal to 100 plus 80 plus 8. 199, 100 plus 9 tens plus 9 ones, that is equal to 100 plus 90 plus 9. Write the place value of each circle digit in the following numbers. 1 has been done for you. 9 is in tens place, so the place value of 9 is 90. 8 is in tens place, the place value of 8 is 80. 4 is in ones place, the place value of 4 is 4. 1 is in hundreds place, the place value of 1 is 100. 9 is in ones place, the place value of 9 is 9. 0 is in tens place, the place value of 0 is 00. Fill in the blanks. In 194, the place value of 9 is in tens place, the place value of 9 is 90. The face value of 9 is number itself, that is 9. In 146, the place value of 6 is in ones place, so the place value of 6 is 6. The face value of 6 is 6, the number itself. In 138, the place value of 1 is in hundreds place, so the place value of 1 is 100. The face value of 1 is number itself, that is 1. In 175, the place value of 7 is in tens place, so the place value of 7 is 70. The face value of 7 is 7. In 183, the place value of 8 is in tens place, so the place value of 8 is 80. The face value of 8 is 8, that is the number itself. Comparing numbers. Different number of digits. If the number of digits is different in the numbers being compared, then the number having more digit is greater. This is less than symbol. This is greater than. The right side, that is greater than. The left side, it is lesser than symbol. Aman and Ronald are playing a game. Aman scored 68 points whereas Ronald scored 143 points. Who won the game? Compare 68 and 143. A 3-digit number is always greater than a 2-digit number. Hence, 143 is greater than 168. So, Ronald won the game. Same number of digits. If there are same number of digits in the number being compared, then start comparing from the hundreds column till the digits are different. Compare 184 and 132. 184, 132. Since the digits in the hundreds column are same, compare the digits in the tens column. The digit 8 in the tens column of 184 is greater than the digit 3 in the tens column of 132. So, 184 is greater than 132. Practice coach. Color the glow with the greater number blue. One has been done for you. 137 and 43. 137 is greater than 43. 120 and 125. 125 is greater. You need to color in blue. 134 and 95. 134 is greater. 196 and 199. 199 is greater. 143 and 32. 143 is greater. 146 and 109. 146 is greater. Color the bell with the smaller number yellow. One has been done for you. 127, 148. 127 is smaller. 134 and 137. 134 is smaller. 45 and 175. 45 is smaller. 39 and 176. 39 is smaller. 107 and 117. 107 is smaller. 199 and 194. 194 is smaller. Color the part having the greatest number blue and the part having the smallest number yellow. This is smallest. So 138. This is greater. 99 is smaller. 112 is greater. 43 is smaller. 196 is greater. And 143 is greater. 108, 75 is smaller. 158, 101 is greater. Color it in blue. 23 is smaller. 176, 125 is blue. Color it in blue. Order of numbers. Observe the two events running a race, New Year party. Here the starter says 1, 2, 3 go and the race starts. When the numbers are written in order of the smallest to the largest, it is known as increasing order. This is also known as ascending order. New Year party. Here people say 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and celebrate. When numbers are written in the order of the largest to smallest, it is known as descending order. This is also known as descending order. Practice coach. Arrange the following numbers in ascending order. 46, 163, 128, 110. Smaller to larger. 46, 110, 128, 163. 126, 124, 125, 120. Smaller to big number. 120, 124, 125, 126. Arrange the following numbers in descending order. 149, 39, 129, 189. So, descending is bigger to smaller. 189, 149, 129, 39. 123, 122, 131, 107. So, the bigger number is 131, bigger to smaller. 131, 123, 122, 107. Forming numbers. Number 52 and 25 has the same digit 2 and 5. Are both the numbers same? No, they are not. 52 has 5 tens and 2 ones, whereas 25 has 2 tens and 5 ones. So 52 is greater than 25. In the same way, 93 is greater than 39 and 16 is less than 61. To make a larger number with any digit, say 2 and 8, put the larger digit in the tens place. So, the larger number formed with the digit 2 and 8 is 82. To form the smallest number using the digit 2 and 8, put the smaller number in the tens place. So, the smallest number formed with the digit 2 and 8 is 28. If we use the same digit like 4 and 4 to form a number, we will get a larger or a smaller number? No, it will be the same number, correct? That is 4 and 4, 44. Similarly, if we use 0 as one of the digits to form a two-digit number, we will get only two-digit number. The digits 8 and 0 will give us only 80. Practice coach. Arrange the digits to make the smallest and largest possible two-digit numbers. One has been done for you. 6, 3. Smallest possible number is 36. Largest possible number is 63. 86. Smallest possible number is 68. Largest possible number is 86. 5, 9. Smallest possible number is 59. Largest possible number is 95. 9, 0. Smallest possible number is 0, 9. That is 9. Largest possible number is 90, 90. 6, 6. Smallest possible number is same, 66. Largest possible number is also same, 66. Even and odd numbers. Even numbers. Numbers that can be put into pairs are called even numbers. For example, these 10 stars can be put in 5 pairs. So 10 is an even number. There will be 5 pairs. Even numbers have 2, 4, 6, 8 and 0 in their ones column. Example, 12, 14, 16, 18 and so on are even numbers. Some more examples of even numbers include 42, 80, 76, 38, 24, etc. Odd numbers. Numbers that cannot be put into pairs are called odd numbers. For example, these 9 stars cannot be put into pairs. One star is left unpaired. When you start pairing 9 stars, one star is left. It is unpaired. So 9 is an odd number. Odd numbers have 1, 3, 5, 7 or 9 in their ones column. Examples 11, 13, 15, 17 and so on are odd numbers. Some more examples of odd numbers include 43, 87, 75, 39, 21, etc. Practice coach. Choose and write the even numbers among the following in the space provided. 90, 37, 56, 31, 91, 87. 90 and 56 are even, all other are odd numbers. 152, 187, 120, 196, 167, 170. 152, 120, 198, 170 are even numbers. Choose and write the odd numbers among the following in the space provided. 69, 66, 21, 40, 53, 62. 69, 21, 53 are odd numbers. 188, 157, 169, 138, 140, 123. 157, 169, 123 are odd numbers. Skip counting on the number line. Here is a number line. Here is a number line 0 to 14. We can use this number line for skip counting. Skip counting in twos. Start from 0, skip to every second number. Start from 0, skip 1, skip to 2, skip 3, go to 4, skip 5, go to 6. So skip counting in twos. 6 to 8, 8 to 10, 10 to 12, 12 to 14. Skip counting in threes. Start from 0, skip to every third number. Start from 0, third number. 1, 2, 3. Skip. 3 to 6. 6 to 9. 9 to 12. Skip counting in fives. Start from 0. Skip to every fifth number till you reach 30. Start from 0. Skip to 5. 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. Skip counting in tens. Start from 0, skip to every 10th number till you reach 30. Start from 0, 10, 20, 30. Ordinal numbers. Numbers such as first, second, third and fourth tell us the position of an object, number, person, place or a thing. These are called ordinal numbers. When you say the letters of the alphabet in order, which letter do you say first? A comes first. Look at the position of some other letters. Letter A position is first, B second, C third, D fourth, E fifth, F sixth, G seventh, H eighth, I ninth, J tenth. Practice coach. Fill in the blanks by skip counting in twos. 2, 4, 6, 8. It should be 10, then 12. In fives, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. Maths around us. Richa was going on a vacation from Mumbai to Pune with her family. On her way, she saw a milestone with the number 149 km written on it. She asked her father about the number 149. She knew number till 100 only. Seeing her eagerness to learn, Richa's father explained her meaning of this number on the milestone. Her father said a milestone is used to represent distance between two places. So 149 km is the distance till Pune from our current location. He told Richa that the number name of 149 is ONE1, HUNDRED 100, FORTY 40, NINE 9. Her elder brother Somesh explained that in 149 there are 100, 4 tens that is 40 and 9 ones. Richa felt quite happy to learn about a large number. Arrange the letters as per the order given and fill in the boxes to decode the secret message. Second letter is E, sixth letter is C, first letter is R. The first letter is R, the second letter is E, the sixth letter is C. Like that you need to fill here in the boxes. When you decode the message, it is respect your elders. Write your views on the message decoded above. Revision station. Write the number names 76, SEVENTY 70, SIX 6. 117, 1, ONE1, HUNDRED 100 and 17, SEVENTEEN. Fill in the blanks. 100 plus 40 plus 2 is equal to 142. 76 has 7 tens and 6 ones. Write the place value in the first box and the face value in the second box of the underlined digit. Here the place value of 1 is in tens place. The face value of 1 is the number itself, that is 1. 152, 2 is in ones place. The place value of 2 is 2. The face value of 2 is 2. The place value of 1 is in hundreds place and the face value of 1 is 1 itself. In 184, the place value of 8 is 80. The face value of 8 is number itself, that is 8. Fill in the blanks. 167, 168, 169, 170 and 171. Arrange the following numbers in descending order. 86, 44, 92, 90. So it is bigger to smaller. 92, 90, 86, 44. 101, 99, 112, 157. Bigger to smaller. Bigger is 157, 112, 101, 99. Tick right mark for the odd numbers. 86, no, this is an even number. 89, this is an odd number. 78, this is an even number. 70, this is also an even number. Join the dots and color me. Also give me a suitable name and write it in the boxes given below. You need to join. There are numbers. You need to start and you need to join the numbers. Worksheet. Number search. Read the number name and identify the number in the grid. Circle the numbers in the grid using a pencil. Here 142. Here 142. 165. Here 165. Like that you need to circle. This completes the first chapter.